This is what to do when it's raining, and this video is featuring Molly.
Hey.
Yeah. Number 1, playing catch. Woo. This is so fun.
Yeah. It's like, meh, it's better than chess.
This is better than a library. This is better than Bob the Mexican Builder. This is better than Dora the Turkish Explorer. This is better. Oh my knee!
Number 2, reading a book. The hills are alive with the sound of Bob the Mexican. Get out, I'm reading.
Boy, you never like me anyway. Random dancing, number 3.
She's saying random dancing number 3. 3.
You already know that. Get off my head. I will mow it.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, and the lion sings tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sings tonight. We are on the way. Holla!
4, drawing a really cool pattern on your hand. Don't do this if your parents don't like you messing around with pens and felt tips, and if you're younger than 5. Ow. 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 Do you mind? Excuse me? What are you doing? What? Molly had to go home, so that's the end of the video, I guess. Bye.